do a chicken parmigiana with extra bacon top of it. So let's see what are the ingredients we needed for the make the chicken parmigiana. I already have the chicken schnitzel. It's already ready made. If you hit my channel, if you check it out how to make a chicken schnitzel, you can find it out there. If you subscribe my video channel, you can find it out how to make the Neapolitan sauce. Now let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. Ready-made chicken breast. So 100 gram of Neapolitan sauce, 1 bacon rashes, 100 gram of mozzarella cheese. This is the ingredients we need to make the chicken parmigiana. So let's see how we're gonna do it. So I'm gonna cut the bacon strip because I need to fry them first before I put it them. So let's see how we're gonna do that one. So I'm gonna cut the bacon strip very thinly. And then I'm gonna cut the bacon strip and I'm gonna cut it halfway through. Then I'm gonna make it as a dice, small dices. Let's see how I'm gonna fry the bacon. So I'm not gonna put the oil because already bacon got the fat in it. So now I'm gonna put them in. You're not gonna fully cook this one. You're gonna cook it halfway through. So just give the nice color, that would be enough. We're gonna get the bacon out from the pan now. So this is perfectly done for me. I'm gonna use the hot pan. Then I'm gonna add some oil. Make sure you add a little bit more oil. You're gonna shallow fry this. I'm gonna cook it off the chicken schnitzel now. Look at that, how perfectly it's crumbed. That's how you need to do it. As you see the color change around the chicken schnitzel, so what are you gonna do? I feel like it's nearly done. It's already sealed, so you're gonna flip it over to seal the other side as well. So if you wanna cook it in the pan, still you can cook it in the pan. Make sure you use the low heat. So what I'm gonna do, I seal the both sides. Now I'm gonna put this one into the oven. So before that, I'm gonna use the baking tray and I'm gonna oil spray it, otherwise it's gonna stick into the baking tray. So as you see, both sides is cooked. So I'm gonna put this one in. So my oven is already preheated, 160 degrees. So now I'm gonna cook it there for 10 minutes. So as you see, it's already done. I'm gonna take it out the chicken schnitzel and then I'm gonna make the chicken parmigiana. So it's ready now, 160 degrees as I said, in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, look at that, it's nicely cooked. Then I'm gonna make the chicken parmigiana out of this. Then first you're gonna lay the Neapolitan sauce on the top of the chicken schnitzel. Thin layer of Neapolitan sauce will be perfect. Then you're gonna add mozzarella cheese on the top. So if you are a cheese lover, you feel free to add more mozzarella cheese. Then you're gonna add bacon, the cut and cooked bacon on the top. And you don't have to put the bacon if you're not a fan of bacon. And even though you can use ham or salami or any kind of sliced sausages, it's up to you guys. And you feel free to use whatever you want. Now I'm gonna put it in this oven for 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes, and let the cheese melted, the Napoli sauce get heated, and then you are ready to serve this one. Now I'm gonna place up in the oven and I'm gonna wait it for 5 minutes to get this one out. As you see, this cheese already melted, it's already melted, and the Neapolitan sauce already heated up. It's ready to serve now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this one out. Oh wow, it's nice smell. Look at that, how the bacon's cooked, how bacon got brown. That's how it need to be. So now I'm gonna plate this one down. Now I'm gonna place into the plate. Look guys, how beautiful it is. Look at this. This is real homemade chicken parmigiana with the nice crispy bacon. You can have it the salad, you can have it roast vegetable, you can have it the chips, whatever you want. This is the perfect dish, perfect main dish for your lunch or dinner, whenever you want to have it. I hope you guys follow this carefully, and I hope you're gonna make this one at your home, and I know that you're gonna be over the moon for this. So now I'm gonna try this one and see how it is. Perfect, perfect. So, nice. Oh my god, it's really nice. There is a herbs flavor as you mix the mix herbs into the flour. It's really nice. It's nice, you know, the divine taste, it's up there. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do comment under my videos, and please do subscribe Cooking with the Brown Chef. That would be the great help you can do to me. So I'm gonna see you with a different video. Until then, see you. Bye. Cheers.